Hello everyone, it's an awesome day today. Look at this KT4 package. I think I know what it is, but let's open it up. Alright. Alright, let's see. Oh, it sure is what I think it is. Our carbon fiber steering wheel for this baby right here. Wow. Let's open it up completely. Just cut the tape. Man, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for so long. Oh my goodness. Man, they got a lot of tape. They really make sure it doesn't get damaged when shipping. That's nice. Good job, KT4. Wow. Just wow. Literally. This is amazing. Like, I'm speechless. I mean, I saw this on the photos that they sent me, but in real life, I'm literally speechless. Wow. This is crazy. Attention to detail, how perfect it is. Wow. Just wow. Come here, come closer. Come closer, zoom in on this kind of so they can see. Look at that reflection from the sun. Look at it. Look how amazing that looks. Look at the top. The British flag, which shows that. You got the Alcantara leather right here with the British flag stitching. Wow. I mean Swedish, not British. Excuse me. Swedish flag and Swedish flag Swiss stitching. This is amazing. Wow. I have no words, really. I don't know what to say. This really shocked me. I did not expect this to be so good looking. Wow. So let's get this installed. Alright, so first things first, before removing the steering wheel, you gotta loosen this lever under here. When there's a lever, you just pull it in, kind of open it up, and that allows you to move the steering wheel. So move it all the way out and leave it open, and then unscrew. There's I believe two screws under the 10mm screws. You take it out, you separate these two pieces, and then you just kind of move this lever around to kind of get the plastic piece off. That will allow you access to the holes, to the airbag release holes on the steering wheel. And then you just put a screwdriver in there and then just kind of pry on it. I think you pry it to the outside of the steering wheel. You pry it and that pops the airbag out. After we pop the airbag out, well, before actually, we got to disconnect the battery, because last thing you need is the airbag popping in your face. So we're going to disconnect the battery and then pop the airbag out. And then after we do that, we then straighten the steering wheel to make sure it's straight, so you can put the new one in the same exact way, so your alignment's still right. Because on this one, as you guys can see on the steering wheel right there, that centerpiece there is 5-point centerpiece, so it's really hard to mess it up. If you mess it up, you'd have to put the steering wheel way off. So make sure it's straight and just put the new steering wheel straight as well. Alright, so for the controls, I need to remove the controls because KT4 actually used their wheel, so I need to swap my buttons. So to take those off, you need to take this off. So just pry on it from here, pull it out a little bit, and then carefully keep prying on it from the bottom as well until you get the bottom piece out as well. Once you get it out, it'll allow you to pop those off as well. That, you just stick a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver under there, and just pry on it. Just gonna pry slowly, and it'll come out. Alright, now we installed everything. I swapped out the buttons from the wheel because this is a KT4 wheel. They actually use their own for my steering wheel. So we got the wheel installed, everything is plugged in. And actually for these bolts right here, or the screws underneath, it's actually, you gotta use the Torx 20 little star socket to get those out of there. So it's not actually a 10mm, so you got to get that. Once you get that off, I was actually right. about the prying part. You actually just insert it once. You have to put it sideways, and you can only do it from the bottom. So you do one side, you kind of just put it in and kind of pry it away from the steering wheel. And then you swap the sides. One side is going to be propped, and then you do the same thing to the other side. Kind of just put it in and then just pry it kind of away from the steering wheel, and it'll pop out the airbag. Inside, I just use the little electric meter. Really is broken, so it's a pony thin tail, because I can't put a screwdriver in there because the hole is not big enough. So yeah, got that installed, and that's how it looks inside. There's no light. It looks really nice. Like, it's the camera and the video, I'm pretty sure it's not going to do its justice. The only thing I noticed is maybe it's a tiny bit heavier than the original one, but that's probably because it's a lot, you know, thicker and really nice looking. So I mean, carbon fiber is supposed to be more of like you know, lighter, but I guess not in this case. In this case, it's just the steering wheel. Maybe it's the same. I think it's just a teeny bit heavier, but yeah. So we're all done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, tell your friends about it, and yeah, this wheel looks really nice. The KT4 really did a great job with this. The attention to detail. I'm a really picky person, so it's really hard to kind of please me with a product that you worked on pretty much from scratch, but they did a really great job. So thumbs up, KT4, good job. Let me just show you guys up close how it looks. Alcantara leather, the stitching, Swedish flag. Really great job. So yeah, good job, KT4. Thank you guys for watching. Give it a thumbs up, and as always, see you next time.